mercy. Ain't no mercy.
Beep, beep. That is the name of the new TV spot that came out a day ago for Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, and we're gonna react to it. Three, two, one.
Something's coming.
Genetic power has been unleashed.
You can't put it back in the box.
Yeah. Move.
Rated PG-13.
They extended that sequence a little bit with the mosasaur. I wonder what really happens at the end. Did the mosasaur eat him? Did he swim away? Or is that just a random shot of something at the end of the movie? Oh my god, I am so excited for this. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom is my most anticipated movie of this year. And I just... the Jurassic World geek inside of me is bursting out right now with all these promotional stuff. It is going crazy with this movie. I just can't help but be excited for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.
I torture you. I'm a slave to your